Guys, this is my last day in Canggu. I'm checking out of this hostel, my first hostel here in Bali. This is the outfit. The earrings, I decided to put on earrings today. We're going to dinner. I have not eaten all day. I've been indoors packing, doing my self-care Sundays, intentions, doing research, getting ready for this next trip. And yeah, I'm about to go eat my first meal and my dinner for today. And I hope it's very, very delicious. I'm walking to the beach and seeing what I can find. Maybe on the way there, I'll find something better. That sounds really good right now. So I'm just gonna explore and be spontaneous and find out. Let me get my umbrella. She's here, now let's roll. Hey. We're off. It's raining. It's raining, but it's not like cold. If that's, oh, we're about to get hit. My feet just got wet. And these are leather sandals. My Tory Burch sandals. We're off to find dinner. And it's raining. Turkey. The Avocado Factory. If I want to use my computer, is it okay here?
Yeah, it's okay now.
Okay.
Just our house rules from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Not allowed laptop inside, but after 3 p.m. it's okay.
Thank you. Thank
How about
you.
this side?
Thank you. Perfect. Thank you. My food has arrived. Wow. Guys, so I ended up at the Avocado Factory. Look how beautiful and cute this place is. I just ordered their Truffle Eggs Benedict. There are so many amazing choices. It was so hard to even pick. And saying thank you, It's so beautiful near, thank you. It was a hard decision. So I was debating between the Avo Royal Croissant, the Truffle Benedict, the Coconut Rice Bowl, the Poke Bowl, but mostly those three. The Poke Bowl I already had. It's my favorite, but I already had it this trip, so I didn't want to get a second one. But those were like the main ones that I was like, I mean, there was more than that, but those are the ones I narrowed it down to. I ended up going with the Truffle Benedict because I haven't had truffle and Benedict ever, so I want to try something new. But that croissant, like, with the poached egg and the avocado, like that chunky, looks so good. The coconut rice has sweet, has the chicken that was sweet. Coconut, the rice, oh my god, there's pictures. It looks so perfect and savory. But I know for sure the Truffle Benedict's gonna be so savory, so I'm so excited to try it. It's heaven here. There's specials, and they partnered up with other companies, so I might want to go with the rice pudding right here on the top, or a palm latte. And this is coconut cream, homemade palm sugar syrup, espresso, fresh milk right there. So there's a lot of choices. I'm not sure just yet like what drink I'm gonna get. I have my water, but I think I do want to get something else because it actually is pretty affordable. It's only 90K. Usually I spend over 100K per meal, so that's really cheap. So I want to get something else to go with it. Also, they said in the mornings they don't let computers, but after 5 p.m. you're allowed to use computers. So I can get some work done and get some editing, as well as just hanging out in this vibe and just chilling, and the spotlight is on me. Just kidding. It's so nice here though. It's so cute and green, and everything here is all avocados. Everything that they make here, every plate has avocado. Isn't that amazing? I love that. Very unique and special. I love avocados. They're super healthy for you. So just heaven is here. I love it. I can't wait to try it and dig in. The smell is unreal, guys. The smell. The food is here. It is OMG, guys. The smell is out of this world. The perfect truffle, savory, delicious, like, I just want to eat this so bad. Look at this. Literally heaven is here. I'm gonna dig in so slow and savory and take my time with this. Let's try. I'm so excited to try this. Let's be cute. It's green like the avocado. Oh, there's a fly. No. Okay, let's dig in. So we need to pop the poached egg first. Already centered. Hold on. Ready? We're gonna pop it so each bite can have the yolk inside. I'm gonna pop it on the inside, right there. And I'm actually gonna cut it in half. And why not in 4s? Heaven is here. I'm gonna take some avocado on this side, put it over here, add some of the egg to that side, and then this one has a lot of eggs, so I'm gonna add it to the other side, so every single bite has some egg on it. And mushroom truffle for the sauce on every single bite. Oh wait, this one needs some more mushroom over here. It's ready. Oh my god, guys, the sauce is incredible. Our first bite. Oh my, this is a big bite. We're gonna do it. If I can get it all together. Oh my god. Heaven. Just make sure I can get everything on the bite. Oh, so close. Okay, we're good. Ready? God. Insane. The fly knows it's good. You can smell it. It's so delicious. My taste buds are like orgasmic. 10 out of 10. Truffle eggs Benedict. Insane. Out of this world. The Avocado Factory. Round 2. So grateful. Speechless. This place is 10 out of 10. 100% would recommend the Avocado Factory. Insane, out of this world.
But ask for it medium. Make sure medium. Because they will do it well done. Well done.
So the burger is good, and then the egg Benedicts were bomb too. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I'm coming back. You guys have to come here. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one.